channel. Bye.
Hey viewers, today we're at Watson's Pond in Taunton, Massachusetts. Sorry about the noise, there's some traffic over here. But back behind them trees is a beautiful pond. I've been coming here since I was a kid, and I figured I'd come by and get some footage to share it with you. It's changed over the years though. There's a park for the kids to play in now. I used to love coming fishing here. But I want to thank everybody who subscribed or who's watched my videos or liked my videos. Just coming by here helps me out and I appreciate it. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video. So this is what happens when my drone can't connect to the GPS satellites. It won't stay still, it wants to move around left, right, forward, back. It takes a lot of adjustment. So this is why I like staying in beginner mode with my drone. Found a nice path here in Dartmouth, Massachusetts. Was going to take some footage, but it was very risky because it was a very narrow path for flying a drone, and as you're about to see shortly, I crashed. Thankfully the drone wasn't hurt. I did scuff up a couple of the propellers, but I just replaced all the propellers before I took my other footage of the day. But this was kind of cool because this path leads to somewhere. I had never been here before. I wanted to fly the drone straight towards the entrance right there. It kind of opens up to a small open area, and as you see, as I'm headed that way, my drone starts moving in a side direction. There we are. So always safety first and stay in beginner mode until you're ready not to.